I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Threads and making sure you're logged in. This is crucial. Once logged in, go directly to the profile or specific post you want a link. Make sure the app is up to date and check settings for any share or copy options. Sometimes they are tucked away. If you're on web, sign in and open the thread in its own tab so you can access browser address actions next. You now find the exact link. Tap the three-dot menu or share icon on the target thread. On mobile, choose Copy Link when visible. On web, copy the URL from the address bar. If the direct copy option is missing, use Share To and pick a note or message app to paste and extract the URL. Once copied, confirm the link opens the intended post by pasting it into a new tab or message and testing it so you avoid sharing the wrong content. You finish by pasting and sharing the link where needed, and then verifying it works for recipients. Once shared, test the URL in a private or alternate account to ensure visibility and that it points to the correct thread. If the link doesn't open, make sure the post wasn't deleted, the account isn't private, or the app isn't blocking shares. As a troubleshooting tip, if sharing still fails, update the app, restart it, and recopy the URL before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.